The NB Network with Dee's Spot.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today, I got a GlossyBox yesterday, and I was like, okay, yeah, cool, because I subscribed for just 3 months, and I got, I just paid $1 for December's box, so yeah, I got January's box, and then this morning on my doorstep was another one. I'm hoping I didn't get charged for 2. I have to really look into this because I'm like, do they have more than one subscription? Is this a different month? What is going on here, peeps? So we will get in on that and find out what happened and what is in January. And I hope this is January's. Okay, we're back and I'm opening the first box, and I just love, it's just so cute, so pretty, and these boxes are very good for storing stuff and a lot of my art projects and crafts and such and school stuff, because I'm homeschooling now. But it says Happy New Year Glossies. So this is the January box, and it looks like I get 3 full size deluxe mini, a mixie stick, and a 2-pack of something. So well, this looks interesting. Like untying and tearing open the paper. All right, so this is a full size of Bioderma. The best-selling dermatological micellar water cleanses the skin by removing dirt and debris, purifying and limiting sebum creation for the fastest feeling, for the freshest. I can't read because I can't see. The tip is to soak a cotton pad with this micellar water and wipe across face. This is $14.90. I do need more because I just was running out of this kind that I gotten from, I think, Tony Moly. So I wonder what it smells like. You know how micellar smells? It doesn't smell good ever. I'm not going to open it. I'll probably just make a mess. Okay, what else is in here? Reusable rounds. Oh, this is it. If you're gonna give me this, give me this, so I can use. I know what this. I'll tell you what this is. This is After Spa's reusable rounds, perfect for all skin types. These reusable makeup wipes are made of the softest fabric and can replace disposable cotton rounds. Plus, they only require water to remove even the toughest makeup. Wash once before use. Afterwards, simply soak with warm water and squeeze. These are $10. This is good. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. See, I've gotten some other types of makeup cloth removers, and they're good. Yes. So, but you always need more because you can use them up. They can, wash too much, and then they're like, and these feel great. Okay, this is good. I like it. We got it matches. They go together. What's this? Okay, I think something was stuck to this. What was stuck to it? I really don't. Mixie? I don't see it in here. Tell something was stuck there. Say hey to Zolt. And it shows in here that it's supposed to be there. I did not get it. Well, that's just bummer. Okay, this other thing here is from Apivita Propolis. This is a lip balm, I believe. It is full-size lip care with propolis, made with propolis oil, balsam oil, shea butter, and more moisturizing and healing ingredients for chapped lips. This sells for $8. All right. You can smell the shea butter. I like that. I'm not going to put it on because I have lips on. So, All right, this next item, it's a face mask. Ooh, it's a deluxe mini Greek yogurt probiotic super dose face mask. You gotta put on your Greek yogurt here. Woo! And this deluxe mini is $10. The full size is $49. So, oh, that's the lid. I'm like, is there something in there jiggling? I need a little bit more coffee here, folks. Sorry. And also in here, which is another full-size item, I'm gonna seed phytonutrients. We'll just with a little word there. This is a lightweight facial lotion, 99% natural and 100% vegan. This moisturizer is rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals and doubles as a makeup primer. This is $34. See, I need primer. I'm running out and I'm kind of like not sure what primer to go with. Let me see this stuff. I'm like, let's pull it out and take a look. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Wow, that is such a beautiful, fresh scent. But it might be a little too strong for my face as a primer. I will test it out, though, and see. So, the last item in here is missing. That is a sad. So, let's break open the other box. All right, I am back, and here is the next GlossyBox. Let's see what's in here. The Power of Beauty. It is the exact same box. Seriously, I wonder if I got the thing that was missing in the other boxes in this box. Really curious to find out, and I'm kind of curious to find out what GlossyBox. Here it is. I do have it in here. The sample is in this one. Yeah, it's all the same stuff. I will probably put one of these boxes on my Mercier. Was it Macari? I am not Englishing. I'll put it on the Macari website that I sell a lot of makeup. You guys can see stuff that I get and I don't use. Or for whatever reason, I have too much or whatever. I've been selling. I'll probably put this box in with it because this is... I gotta find out what Glossy did here. So, wow. What I'm gonna say, the review of this box, I do think this is just like taking care, moisturizing your face, your lips. I love the fact that they gave you reusable rounds to go with the micellar water. You have a moisturizer / primer. You have a face mask, lip balm, and then there is the CBD drink mix. Ooh, I don't know if that balanced coconut. That might taste really gross. I think I'm gonna try it though, just because. Why not? You might as well just try stuff. Oh, it's like, did you find a golden ticket in your box? Don't worry. Keep an eye out for the monthly box. The monthly shop the box email for Glossy exclusive discount for Rain Cry. Okay. There's surveys. Yep. I do have a referral link. I'm going to put it down below. You know what? If you want something, this is GlossyBox Skincare. They also have, if you are interested in this, I say go for it. It's a great deal. It really is. And I believe I got my money's worth. Oh, yeah. I'm just really happy with this box. All right, everybody. Well, that's it. I'm going to have another unboxing video coming up, and I will BoxyCharm January's box, and you could go on my other channel, and I will be reviewing. If you can see, I have a lot of tarot and oracle card decks just here. There's more around the house, but I will be going over some and reviewing them, and I do have affiliate links for Amazon if you want to purchase any of them. Okay, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short, quirky video. I love you guys. And I'll see you next time here on the MB Network. Bye.